Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hey you, thank you so much for joining us today. So the hair we have to try on today was sent from Alipearl. Thank you so much to them for sending this one out. Can we get into that gorgeous packaging? Absolutely love it. And guess what, you guys, I already have the hair on. This is hers, so we're just going to quickly head right into unboxing and styling, and I'll be back to share my thoughts with you guys.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
In trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
All right, you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and can we get into her? Ooh, gorgeous. Absolutely love this one, you guys. This unit definitely blew my mind because when I saw it straight out of the pack, I'm like, okay, let's see how this turns out. But I'm definitely mind blown with this one, you guys. The lace already came pre-cut, the knots were bleached, the hairline was plucked to perfection, everything was looking great, and the part that I just couldn't get over was the fact that it came pre-styled like this. At first, when I brought it out of the pack, right, I was thinking this part was probably going to be bulky and I would need to take out the, you know, the band that it had right there and restyle it. But you guys, I didn't have to do any of that. And I honestly feel like I can wear this one straight out of the box, even if I don't want to go in with my straightener or with my hot comb. With this one, look who has some baby hair action going on. If you know me and you're not a newbie on this channel, you know that me and baby hairs, we do not agree because I don't know how to do them. And besides, I'm not just a huge fan of them, but I'm not mad at this one at all. And this actually already came laid like that. I just had to go in with a little bit of mousse and just use that to, you know, glue down the baby hairs. You guys, mind blown. One part that I'm missing out, which is very crucial, is the tapes that I used to lay this one down. You guys, that one also blew my mind because at first it was such a struggle with it, trying to figure out how it was supposed to lay, if I wanted to do it on the wig first or install it or put the tapes rather on my head first. But I finally figured it out, and what? That's all that I have holding on to the wig, you guys, and it's so good laid to perfection. So I'm going to say, if you're going to try the tapes, just make sure you're patient with it, because at first, boy, it's frustrating. I'm not going to lie, but when you figure it out, it's such a great addition. And if you don't even know how to use glues to install your wig, I feel like those tapes are just perfect, and it looks really effortless, and you know, laid down nicely as well, and all of that good stuff. And for shedding and tangling with this one, I did experience a bit of shedding, but it wasn't anything too crazy or anything to worry about, and there was no form of tangles with her. It feels really soft, you guys. My hand glides through this one so easy, feels so soft and nice. Yeah, you guys, I think we've pretty much covered everything. This one is such a gorgeous unit, and I'll definitely recommend her if you like pre-styled units, or maybe you just want to try something different, or you've been wanting this kind of style and you don't know how to. I think it's such a great one to give a try. I'm going to have the direct links, every information that you need. They do have a TikTok shop and a website. If you buy from their website, you get your package and the fancy packaging, and they also have some discounts going on sometimes. So I'd recommend that you buy from the website. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you feeling this unit? Are you going to be trying her out? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.